What's up guys, PK Patel here. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 traps that you could fall into when using balance transfer checks from your credit card companies. I'm going to show you how not to just stay away from these traps, but how to beat the banks at their own game. Check it out. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. What am I talking about when I say balance transfer checks from credit card companies? Here's an example of one of mine. It's from B of A. It says $40,000 limit, and they're willing to give me 18 months at 0% APR in exchange for a 4% fee that's paid upfront one time. So that's until December of 2019, they're going to let me have a 0% interest rate. 4% one time. Here's the second page, which is the example of the actual checks, and I'm sure you get a multitude of these if you have personal credit cards from your bank or credit card company. So what are the 3 traps that you may fall into by using these? Let's go over them. Number 1, you get stuck with the balance after the promo period expires. Number 2, you make a purchase after using the checks, and the purchase starts accruing retail interest rate. And number 3 is your credit score drops. Now let's take a look at these 3 traps in greater detail. Number 1, you get stuck with the balance after a promo period expires. This one's very easy, guys. Here are a couple possible solutions. Number 1 is budget yourself accordingly, plan ahead, and stay disciplined. For example, if I was to borrow $18,000 and I have it for 18 months, just pay back $1,000 a month, stay disciplined, stay on schedule, and by the end of the term, I will have paid the entire balance back. If you're not able to do that, what you can do is you can use a balance transfer check from another bank. The example that I used was Bank of America. Let's say I also have a Citibank. What you can do is use Citibank to pay off this Bank of America card at month number 17, and you would buy yourself another 12 to 18 months at 0% potentially, and just pay the balance transfer fee of 2 to 4%, whatever the new bank, in this case Citi, is going to charge you. Next trap, number 2, if you make a purchase after using these checks, the purchase will accrue interest at retail interest rate. In my case, it's 15.49%. Now that doesn't sound very appetizing to get 0% for 18 months and then have to pay up to 15% for any purchases that I make afterwards. So the solution is just don't. Just put the card away, make sure you don't even use it accidentally, because some cardholder agreements will mandate that the 0% balance actually gets paid off first. So every single payment you make is actually going to go towards principal, while underneath it all, your purchase is accruing interest at 15.49%. Not a very smart thing to do. So just don't do it. Do not fall into this trap. Put the card away so that you never use it. The third trap is that your credit score will drop when you take advantage of one of these balance transfer offers. The higher the balance transfer dollar amount, the more your credit score will drop. So how do you avoid this from happening? Unfortunately, if you're just an individual, it's inevitable. There's nothing you could do. Your credit score is going to take a hit. However, if you're a business owner, I have an excellent solution for you. Our company, Midwest Corporate Credit, specializes in setting up business credit accounts that only report to your business credit report and are completely invisible to your personal credit profile and won't even factor into your FICO score. What I would suggest is there's a link below. Click on that link and submit your information, and one of our representatives will get in contact with you and tell you exactly how the program works and what the awesome benefits are of this program. Over the last 8 years, thousands of clients have taken advantage of this particular loophole, so why not you? Go ahead and click on that link, submit your information, speak with one of our representatives, and see if this is a right program for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, If you have any questions or feedback, leave us a comment below, and I will see you next time with another awesome video.